Hello friends, today we are going to discuss how to use Format Painter in Excel sheet. Before going to start the lecture, I would request you to please like this video and subscribe to my channel and go through the Excel learning course in my playlist where I have already added 27 lectures on Excel, and today we are going to add the 28th lecture. So let's get back to the Excel sheets. This is the Excel data or the Excel sheet, and I will show you how to use Format Painter on this data. I want to, first of all, let me tell you what is Format Painter. What is the function of Format Painter? Format Painter is a tool which enable you to apply formatting from one cell to another. Instead of applying formatting to each cell individually, you can format one cell or a range of cells and then copy or apply those formatting to other areas of the sheet. So I have this range. I want to apply these formatting to this column or range of cells also. I would do first of all, the first step that you have to follow is to select the cell or the range, the formatting of which you want to apply to other cells. So I would select this cell and then click on Format Painter. Then we'll click on this cell. This will change the formatting of the cell in this way. Now you see that when you apply formatting of a single cell and then apply to another, then the Format Painter selection tool gets disabled. So if you want to apply formatting to multiple areas or multiple cells, then you have to do double click on Format Painter so that it does not get disabled after applying the formatting to a single cell or single range of cells. So now I want to apply this formatting first to this cell and then to this and then to this and this, or maybe to this range of cells. So this is how we apply Format Painter in Excel sheet. I hope this video will add some value in your knowledge. Thank you for watching this video.